In the heart of a bustling city lived a young dreamer named Max, a 20-year-old on the cusp of adulthood. Max was a curious soul, always seeking advice from those who'd walked the path before him. One day, an old man named Elijah noticed Max's insatiable thirst for wisdom. Elijah, known for his captivating storytelling, decided to share his own experiences. Elijah led Max to the city's highest rooftop at sunset. Amidst the golden glow, Elijah pointed at the constellations twinkling above. Each star, he explained, represented a piece of advice that could illuminate Max's journey. As they gazed up, Elijah recounted tales of his youth, each tied to a celestial guide. The story of perseverance was reflected in the unwavering North Star, reminding Max that challenges were mere tests of his determination. Vega, the brightest star, symbolized self-discovery, a reminder to embrace his uniqueness. Weeks turned into months, and Max began to apply the star's lessons to his life. He faced setbacks, but remained resolute. He embraced his talents, allowing them to shine brilliantly. News of Max's transformation spread like wildfire through the city. Years later, Max stood on that very rooftop, now an accomplished young adult. He shared his journey with a new 20-year-old dreamer, Mia. The cityscape below sparkled like a tapestry of dreams, and the stars above gleamed even brighter. Max's story had come full circle, and his advice echoed Elijah's wisdom. Just as the stars guided me, seek guidance from those who have walked your path. Let their stories be your constellations, lighting your way through the darkest nights. Embrace challenges, honor your uniqueness, and shine bright for others to follow. So, dear viewers, in today's fast-paced world, where information is at our fingertips, the essence of seeking advice and learning from those who've journeyed before us remains invaluable. Just as Max found his guiding stars, we too can navigate life's complexities by seeking out and embracing the wisdom of our predecessors. Their experiences serve as our constellations, illuminating a path towards self-discovery, resilience, and meaningful success.